Hi guys, today we will talk about how can you add or change your phone number on your Alexa app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Alexa app. So all you have to do is you just go down here, you click here on more down here, then it's going to take you here in this list, and all you have to do now, so you just go down, you click here on settings here, then it's going to take you here in this list, and you just click here on your profile family. So then it's going to take you here in this list, so just waiting to open video. So then all you have to do now, you just go down here and you click here on mobile phone number, then it's going to take you here in this list. So then all you have to do now, so you just come here to this list here, and here can you add your phone number. So and when you're done, you just click here on continue here, then it's going to add video on your uh, Amazon Alexa. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking